Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to create my comfort makeup look for you. This look can be for a special occasion or just a regular daily makeup. I hope you enjoy watching it, and please subscribe and leave a comment below. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And let's get to the makeup. The first thing I'm going to do is to take my L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 130. I'll take 2 pumps of this. I'll take my beauty blender to blend this out. Let's put the hair back and to business. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Eye Brightener in the shade Butter. Let's do the brows really quick. I'm taking my ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Renite. It makes a slight difference, but I like it. I don't have a lot of brows, but it doesn't bother me. So next, let's put some color on my face. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. I've been loving this bronzer because it looks so natural. You can see this side and this side. Just very natural wash of color. The next step is blush. I'm going to take my NUDESTICKS Nude Matte in the shade Sunset Sunkissed, and you can use this as your bronzer or your blush. I'm going to apply it onto my cheeks like this. This is my kind of blush, to be honest with you. I'm almost out, so I have to get a backup of that product, but this is just very nudie, brownish, natural looking blush. What do you guys think? Blush slash bronzer. I love it. Next, I'm going to use a one and done eyeshadow. This is Tom Ford's Abyssinian. This is what it looks like. This is a great one and done shadow, by the way. I'm going to take a Sigma brush, a flat brush. You have plenty of time to work with this color. It doesn't dry up fast, so you got time. And then I'm going to take a fluffy transition brush and blend it out. Let's add a little bit more. And with the same brush, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And blend it out with a pencil brush. I'm going to use my BECCA Champagne Pop highlighter on my inner corners. Look at the difference. Boom. And I'm also going to add that on my cheeks. Let's add some mascara. I'm using my Lash Princess from Essence. So this is it for the eyes, guys. Let's get to the lips. I'm going to take my MAC Strip Down. And then I'm going to take my NARS Power Matte lipstick in the shade Somebody to Love. I love that my cheeks, my eyes, and my lips match, all monochromatic. One more thing I want to add is a lipstick from Natasha Denona. This is, I think, in the shade I Need a Nude. I'm just going to add that right here. Let's reveal. Take off the hairband. And this is the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look. Very monochromatic, but I love it. I think brown really suits me too. I will link everything I used in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!